If you build it, it will come. I'm a firm believer in that. This is the family room. And we built or had this table made. This is an 8 by 10 foot concrete table. It weighs nearly 2,000 pounds. That's a lot of weight. And it's sustainable because it's concrete, it's durable, it's functional, it's low. And what's awesome about this table is that it's so large so you can put a ton of food on it. And I'm a believer that if you have a big coffee table, no matter how small a space, the family and friends will love gathering there, and it creates conversation and it creates relationships and it creates love. It's all good. So that's why I have such a big table. Now around the table, as you can see, the furniture is very neutral in color and very low. Why? Because look at the view. The view is so spectacular. I don't want to take away from 1 second from that view. I don't want any furniture that's loud or shouts out. The furniture is low. All of the furniture is made with fabrics that are chemical free. And there's no down or feather because I don't believe in chemicals. Chemicals are not necessary in a home. We want to stay happy, healthy, and strong. And I love animals. We don't need to use animal-based furniture and decor. Plus, animal-based furniture and decor has a lot of pesticides. Wool, leather, down, crocodile, filled with bad stuff. So there you have it.